Right here, I've got the rear lip kit for the refreshed Tesla Model Y. Let's unbox it. Inside, you'll find 2 rear lip panels and a couple of adhesive wipes. Pretty simple setup. Now let's go ahead and get them installed. First, get both rear lip panels ready. Spray a little water on the area where they'll be mounted, then wipe it clean with a towel. Next, peel off the backing tape on the rear lip panel and use the adhesion promoter to wipe down the installation spot. Line it up carefully, stick the rear lip panel in place, and press firmly to secure it. That's it, the install is done.